Good morning, Isaac Lynn Middle School families. This is Mrs. Rand helping you wind down this great week of virtual learning at Isaac Litton Middle School. Today is Friday, September 4th, 2020. This morning, we will recite the Pledge of Allegiance, recite the Isaac Litton Middle School Citizenship Pledge, observe a moment of silence. We're going to give you a little information with our news and announcements, and close out this week with a mindful moment to help you launch into our long holiday weekend. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now recite the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I'm responsible for all of my actions and behavior today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right, not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now observe a moment of silence. Here's a few news and announcements for Friday. Monday, September 7th is the Labor Day holiday. No classes are scheduled. Classes will resume on Tuesday, September the 8th. The 2019-2020 yearbooks have arrived. Stay tuned for announcements for pickup times and dates next week. Here's some important updates for virtual learning. Students, don't forget that you are expected to attend your related arts classes in addition to your ELA, math, social studies, and science classes each week. Related arts classes are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please review your virtual schedule for the specific time. In addition, Tuesdays and Thursdays should be used for students to schedule small group tutoring and help with your teacher if you need assistance with any subject. Please ask your teacher about time for tutoring and small groups. If you've taken a class assessment and made a low grade, you must schedule office hour time with your teacher for reteaching before retests can be assigned. Effective Tuesday, September 1st, please address your questions or concerns as follows. 5th and 6th grade families, please address your questions or concerns to Shara Rand at shara.rand@mmps.org. 7th and 8th grade families, address your concerns to Ms. Tracy Patton at tracy.patton@mmps.org. Students, don't forget, math assessment is the last day is today. So if you have not finished your math assessment, please make sure that you contact your teacher. If there are additional makeups, they will be done next week. In-person technology help is here. August 31st through September 18th from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m., in-person technology help will be available at 5 sites across the district. The closest site to Litton is Jerry Baxter Middle School. It is located at 350 Hart Lane. Don't forget, there are safety requirements in order for you to go into the facility. You must wear a mask, and your temperature will be checked, and you must maintain your social distance. Parents, don't forget that the 2021 student handbook permissions must be signed by September 8th. Click on the link mmps.org/handbook and go to the parent permissions portal to access your child's permissions and to make them active. Don't forget, the school-wide morning meetings are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The videos are available on Remind or on the library app at www.ilmslibrary.com. 5th graders, please don't forget the band still needs you. If you are interested, please make sure that you email Miss Reed at samantha.davenport@mmps.org. The I3 STEM Club is coming soon. Miss Donaldson and Dr. Westby are so excited to have you. If you're interested, please email Miss Donaldson or Dr. Westby or go to the website that is on this slide. Our NASA Aftercare program is launching on September the 8th. They have a hybrid model program that will be housed at their Martha O'Brien Explorer Center. Please see the Martha O'Brien website for more information. This is a very important announcement. MEPS is now offering no-cost breakfast and lunch meals. So meals can be picked up at the school from 11:30 to 1 each day that schools are in session. We are also delivering them through our bus routes. For more information, please call 615-259-INFO for assistance. Once again, all breakfast and lunch meals are now at no cost to MNPS families. Interested in joining the GSA? The GSA will be continually virtually this year. Join the Schoology group or email Miss Garrett at catherine.garrett@mnps.org if you would like to participate. If you have not already signed up to join Isaac Litton Middle on the Remind app, please make sure you do so as soon as possible. We are now going to close with our mindful moment for this Friday. Today, we're focusing on self-management. This concludes your announcements for Friday, September 4th. Let's have a great holiday weekend, Isaac Litton Middle School Lions. Students, I want you to rest, go outside, get some sunlight, engage with your family, talk to your friends and loved ones, and we will see you back in virtual learning on Tuesday. Remember that you are loved.